a baby squirrel.
Well, come right here and take it. Anyway.
Spring is here. It's okay, your mommy will come back and get you. Yeah, she will. She'll come back and get you.
She's a pretty little girl, ain't she?
Yep.
That's a pretty little squirrel. What a pretty little girl. So you're a good little squirrel. Yeah, what a good little baby. Yeah, you was a good little girl. Yeah. It was a good one. Huh? You was a good little girl? Say, that one there's a better one than having a boy. Here's Mom.
Yeah. There's your mommy talking to you.
She'll be back to get you.
We'll leave so your mommy come after you, baby, okay? We'll leave so your mommy come get you. There's 2 baby rabbits. Can you see them? It's definitely spring. Look. Aren't they cute?